In case you missed it, in July we launched the AI Practitioner's Guide for Beginners. It is a series that gives you business and data strategy considerations that you need to get started. The series includes a detailed walkthrough of how to install and validate one of the popular artificial intelligence frameworks, Tensorflow, on the Intel Xeon Scalable platform. We also introduced a new show to the channel, Innovator Spotlight. Hosts Wendy Boswell and Stephanie Essen will come together every other Thursday to give you a look into the inspiring projects and ideas from our friends in the Intel Software Innovator Program. We also released 2 videos around persistent memory. Get Started with Intel Optane DC Persistent Memory will help you to understand how to manage these memory modules with open source tools like IPM-CTL and NDCTL. Operating Modes of Intel Optane DC Persistent Memory highlights the different operating modes and includes a look at some of the sample code. In case you missed it, check out these stories from our channel in the links, and don't forget to subscribe.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it and haven't seen any of our other videos, subscribe to the Intel Software YouTube channel. You can also connect with other developers and enthusiasts in the comments, and we'll see you all next time.